Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this simple makeup routine that I do when I want to look fresh and like I put in a little effort. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with filling in my brows. My brows usually take the most time because I'm trying to get them super sharp and precise, but I feel like the brows are the most important thing because they frame your face, and I can go anywhere with my brows done and skip the whole rest of my routine. All I need is some good brows, so it's worth spending time on. So if you want a video dedicated just for my eyebrows, I can do that as well. Just let me know in the comment section or thumbs up this video. And once I'm finally done with my brows, I'm going to put on some Vaseline because my lips are looking dry. And we're going to prime my face. I have really large pores on my cheeks and they're really annoying, so I want to blur those out a little bit, and this does help some. And when I'm done priming my face, I like to use this spray primer afterwards because I like my face to be damp before I put any concealer on my face. I just feel like it helps things blend a lot easier, so it's a personal preference. Then I'm going to apply this concealer on the dark marks on my cheeks. That's the only thing I'm going to be covering up because ain't nobody got time for foundation. This is usually what I do when I want to look fresh and be quick, and I'm just going to cover my old acne scars on my cheeks and call it a day. Now I'm highlighting my under eye. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. Everybody and their mama know about this concealer because it's pretty dope, it's cheap, and I like it. So yeah, we're gonna highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cheeks. I mean, not my cheeks, my chin. Then I'm gonna blend it all out with my damp Real Techniques blending sponge. I really like this. It's really soft and it helps to blend concealers really flawlessly, so yeah, I really like it. Blend, blend, blend. Make sure everything is seamless, no harsh edges. Blend for your life, girl. Blend for your life. Then I'm going to use this other concealer. It's the same as the one that I used to cover my dark marks on my cheeks. It's just in a darker shade. I think it's in Cappuccino. I'm just going to use this to contour my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm going to set it with this Black Radiance pressed powder. I set all my wet products powders just so they, you know, don't move around. Now I'm using this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural underneath my eyes to keep them bright and looking awake. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with this Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. I love this stuff. Now I'm gonna highlight the high points of my cheeks with this highlighter by Makeup Revolution. I love this. It's a really nice rose gold color. It's really pretty. Now I'm setting my face with this Makeup Revolution oil control spray. Once I'm done with that, I put on my favorite mascara at the moment. And then I put on a really simple lip. It's pretty much my lip color, but better. And then I'm gonna put some gloss over it, and I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I can do that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!